All right, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another award-winning episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got one that I found yesterday at H Mart. This is Pulmuone and Doenjang stew Ramen. And this is I keep seeing this Doenjang Chigai ramen, but this is Doenjang stew ramen. So let's make it so. Yeah, that's what we're doing. How are you doing? I am fine. It is Friday, and I will tell you shortly about the wonderful things and amazing things that are going on. And you will be enamored and fancified. Is that a term? I don't know. But we'll find out. And so we start by adding this flaky flake. And we're going to add this, which is the goopy goo. These are all technical terms that I share with you every day. There's an episode of this that comes out, unless I'm on review. Pretty much every day. Don't worry about it. But yeah, pretty much every day you're going to see an episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. And usually they come out at 2 p.m. Pacific Time. There you go. But that is going to change. Why? Because... And I'm going to have them start coming out at 9 a.m. Pacific time. Again, you may ask, why the change? Why would you do this to us? We're so used to seeing you at the same time. And my answer to that is just because. I just figure it's a change. It might be nice. And, I mean, this isn't a dog and pony show, folks. This is real deal stuff. So, but yeah. So yesterday I took the initiative. So here's the deal. My wife, she had a half day yesterday, and she had a half day Thursday, and she's working a half day on Saturday, right? So I thought, why don't I try to walk to her work? And I figured if I tried to, I'd probably get about a half to 3/4 of the way there, and then she would get done with work, come pick me up, and we'd go do our shopping. Well, as it turns out, I made it all the way there. I really didn't understand how far away it was. It's actually not incredibly far away. So, but the only time I've ever been there is driving, and I've never walked and tried to get there before, but I made it. Now, on the way, there were like tons of all this construction that's going on in the Kirkland area. Now, I had to walk through, I don't even know what street that is, but I had to deal with all that construction, then turn left on 100th, and there was construction all over the place. Had flaggers escorting me across the street, probably a good 5 times during the entire journey. And it was crazy. It was wackadoodle. Crazy. So, yeah. I'm only going to be able to get one in before she has lunch. It's been a busy. Day before yesterday was Valentine's Day. I'll talk about that maybe on the next episode, because we are almost ready to launch with the Doenjang. I don't know, even have any clue. Here's how it's spelled. Doenjang. Doenjang. Yeah? Doenjang stew ramen. Doenjang stew ramen from Pulmuone. I'd never seen it before, that's why we're reviewing it. We're not reviewing it on this show. We're cooking it, and then the actual review will come out on the episode or the post. And I think this will be post number 4,909, which when I'm done today, I'll have 4,911 posts done. And God, it's like sucking up all the liquid. It's not very stewy, I gotta say. And I use the right amount of liquid too. I always do. That's like my main thing, is to make sure things work right. And I don't know that this one will. It's sunny. It's a day, but it's cold. It got so cold I like went. The only reason I'm reviewing it right now, I was going to do this tomorrow morning because she'll be out working, the kids will be home. Figured let them have some fun and I'll do my reviewing. But now I got down on the trail and I started walking and I slipped, and I'm like, if it's all icy and slippery already, there's just no point. So maybe once I get my reviews done, I'll go out walking again. That's, you know. But there's, of course, always shady areas that just never. Never. Okay, check this out. So this is supposed to be like a bean paste, fermented bean paste variety. It's not very soupy, and I don't think that is by design. But I don't know. Our noodle. Cheers. In a moment. And that's more noodle than I want to do. Oh my God, that was painfully hot. There's our broth. Nope. Oh my God. Whoa. I don't like that in the slightest. I mean, that's like, wow. I'm going to venture to say that is the worst South Korean variety I've ever had. Seriously, this tastes like horrible. I guess I should just be honest and tell you exactly what I feel about it. It's like, so we've got a dog and she's still a puppy and she's not housebroken yet. And we've got these pads. And if she goes on them a couple times, like, yeah. I don't know if it tastes like that, but it certainly smells like the way this stuff tastes. I mean, it's pretty bad. It's like if somebody was lactose intolerant and ate a bag of powdered milk. They also weren't good with eggs, and they ate a bunch of eggs. I don't know. I mean, I'm just trying to let you understand how foul this stuff is. I would go with avoid at all costs. You might like it though. They don't make products unless people like them. No? That's my fanciful alarm letting me know that my wife will be on her break in a moment. So let's get rid of our fanciful alarm. But yeah, that'll be in a moment. But for now, let's finish this up. Got some spring onions. I need new onions. Bad. Bad, bad, bad. Yeah, I'm bummed about that one. I thought I'd like it. Like, a lot. But that's like one of the worst tasting things. Wow. It's just so putridly strong. I don't know if I could consider it anything akin to... It's supposed to be fermented soybean paste. And I would have thought maybe, oh, this has got to be a little bit akin to smelly tofu, the Taiwanese wonder dish. I love smelly tofu. This I don't. It's very pungent and funky. Oh, crap. Well, sorry, camera people thing. Oh, son of a bitch. So you heard that little tink, tink, tink? That came out of the arm of my camera pod thing. And I don't know where it goes. And so I'm just going to show you this manually. Oh, crap. We're screwed. Anyways, the next episode is going to be something fantastic and wonderful. This has been Hans, the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles, and hopefully you don't have any technical difficulties today. Have a good one, and bye-bye.